There are some special fund. What are the special funds? Index fund, international fund, offshore fund, sector fund, money market fund, fund of funds, capital protection oriented fund, gold fund, quant fund. These are the type of fund. You will see one by one. Index fund. The index fund a stock exactly in same weightage it bears the index. So what is the index? In India we have Sensex and Nifty. That is our index fund. International fund raise money in India but invest globally. So I have raised money from India and I'm investing in New York Stock Exchange. That is global fund, international fund. Offshore fund locate outside India which raise money globally to invest in India. What this is offshore fund? Sir, the foreigners are coming to India and investing in Indian shares. This is offshore funds. Sector fund, they invest entire fund in particular sector like infrastructure, technology, etc. Sir, I want to buy all the technology funds, I want to buy all the banking funds. Such kind of single industry they will buy. That kind of buying strategy, that kind of funding is not a sector fund. Money market fund. What is money market fund? The investment stock, they invest in short term debt instruments like commercial papers, etc. Short term funds. Example, sir, I don't have in believe in stock market, so I am investing in money market. What does a debenture? State government will issue bond for 5 years, 10 years for the specific interest rate, so that money they will buy. This is kind of buying commercial papers or commercial bond is known as money market funds, and that fund you can trade in market. Fund of funds invest in other mutual fund schemes. So mutual fund is usually a fund. That is what they invest in some kind of shares, debentures, securities, gold bonds, everything they will invest. So the collection of that has been respect are given as a mutual fund unit. That unit you investing is investing in fund of fund. That is the meaning. Capital protection oriented fund. What is this? The designed protect capital invested through suitable orientation of portfolio structures. Major portion invest in debt and remaining equity. So you are designing something such a way your capital is not totally drained. You are designing a very good strategy so that your capital will be protected. Such kind of investment is known as capital protection oriented fund. Gold fund. Gold fund is represented by value of gold. ETF. What is it? Government is giving paper gold. Investing in paper gold, you get a 2.5 percentage interest per annum, and also on 5 years lock-in period. After 7th year, you after 5 to 7 year, you can redeem that paper. Such kind of availability given by Indian gold bond. That is called as gold fund. Quant fund. What is it? Working on data-driven approach of stock selection and investment based on predetermined rules using statistics and mathematics model. Sir, I'm somewhat brilliant. I know something mathematics and statistics based upon my idea. I collect the data. Based on the working of the data, I invest in some company. That company is all based on the quantitative and qualitative analytics or descriptive analysis or technical analysis or even quantitative analysis. I'm making some analysis. Based upon analysis, I'm investing. This is known as quant funds. These are different types of fund. Special funds.